Hey friends, if Dell laptop touchpad is not working on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now the first resolution is to enable the touchpad on your computer, and yes, your keyboard has a button to re-enable the touchpad. So if you look at the Fn key, the function key, and if you look at these keys F10 to F12, there will be one key with the touchpad symbol, and it will not work if you simply hit the key. You'll have to hit it in combination with the Fn key. So Fn plus the touchpad function key. Press that and maybe that may re-enable the touchpad. Then make sure that touchpad is on in the settings. So the first one, this one was the hardware switch and this one is the software switch. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to Bluetooth and devices on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select touchpad and make sure that the switch associated with the touchpad is on. The next solution is to clear the laptop touchpad. Now, how do we clear the laptop touchpad? We clear it with a solution. We clear it with a clean cloth, and I use a tissue paper to clear it along with a light cleaning agent. The next solution is to unplug the peripheral mouse. Now, what do I mean by the peripheral mouse? It can be the Bluetooth mouse. It can be a USB connected mouse. Unplug those just in case those mouse drivers are interfering with the touchpad drivers and isolate it. If it works, then you can consider changing the external mouse. And last of all, update the touchpad drivers. Search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar and open the Device Manager window. Expand the list of mice and other pointing devices. Right click on the HID compliant mouse and search automatically for drivers. Right click on the second one, search automatically for drivers. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.